Insane. Like, I'm still, like, processing.
I ain't afraid of nothing.
I thought we were gonna die a couple times.
It's kind of like 996 big turbo stock engine, but big turbo. Hop out real quick. There's nowhere to hold on to. You're gonna feel like a boss in this thing, dude.
That's Dave. He's been one of my closest friends for almost 15 years now. He owns Bootsy Gear, a Porsche shop here in Milford, Connecticut. But he's always been more than just a car guy to me. He was in my wedding, he let us use his shop as the venue, surrounded by friends, cars, and family. So this wasn't just a drive, it was a bit more personal. Alright, we are about to start a new series. I'm gonna have people who probably normally don't drive this type of stuff come along for a ride and then drive it themselves, give some feedback. So who better off here than Dave at Bootsy Gear? He's been a huge part of the build, but ironically has never even ridden in it. So
looking forward to this. I hear it rides pretty well, so I'm kind of, looking at it, you don't think that rides well, but I'm looking forward to seeing what this is all about and how it drives. It's going to be kind of crazy to drive that bad boy.
All right, what's your experience with diesel stuff?
Negatory.
See, as you guys know, this is a little hopped up, and let's see
you
what
can't see the turbo hanging out or anything.
Let's see what he thinks. I'm gonna drive first, and then we're gonna have him get in the seat, and he's probably gonna be pretty uncomfortable because it's pretty tight in there.
It does have good headroom, though. I remember I have sat in it when we were doing the alignment, just sat in it, but I have not driven it, so we'll see how it goes.
You don't even step in it. You just you swipe your foot. You swipe. You're in. Oh, dude, it sounds so sick. That 964 suspension back there is like primo. Oh my god. It is pretty smooth. Yeah, normal roads, not bad. Like 996 big turbo stock engine, but big turbo. Whatever. Dude, it pulls. The big dogs. It pulls. All right. Yeah, it's badass. I want you to feel the bumps and whatever. Nah, dude, it's bumpy, whatever, this, that, and the other, but it's sick. It is sick. went off-road with a car, with a truck. That's half an inch off the ground.
Inch and 3/4, but is it really? I measured it yesterday.
Half an inch.
Now imagine doing that in Texas.
Dude,
When you can't be saved by anybody.
it's wild.
All right, so what'd you think? Passenger.
I'm still buzzing here, all right? I'm still buzzing. This thing is wild, dude. I think wild is the best thing. The best way I could put it is wild. Pulls like a freight train. Actually, handles deceivingly well. I thought we were gonna die a couple times. You probably see it in my face in the fucking video. But holy shit,
I definitely
man.
wouldn't have been driving like that if I didn't just drive it 4,000 miles. 'Cause
No.
I was definitely very scared to do that shit before I left, but you know.
Yeah, you put it through its paces.
You get a little
You
more
broke some
comfortable.
shit
Yeah.
and then you fixed it and now it's good. But yeah, dude, wild, man. Wild, wild, wild.
All right, Dave's gonna hop in and
If I can get out,
you
I
gotta
don't
go up.
Yeah, or yeah, just go up. I'm going forward. Oh,
Go, there he is.
throw a little weight in it.
Ooh.
All right, this is gonna be.
All right, so obviously
an
you know it has
experience.
manual brakes. Don't be
Yeah, you
like
got-
Kev.
yeah.
I was like,
No,
all right, you know,
I'll go easy.
you know, but third, fourth gear are like the gears.
Okay.
I mean, after third gear, it's you just do whatever. But
One of those and made it one of these.
Wild. About to drive this thing for the first time. Just went for a terror ride. All right. Let's see. Oh man, the pedals, the lack of space. Is that no?
oh, you gotta slam that bitch. All right, to get out, you might have to body check the door. The door is kind of busted at the top. It's breaking,
Oh.
so it's fine.
We got some broken welds. Dude, the clutches in the clutches is out there. It's like behind the front wheel. I mean, I'm not worried about the pressure, but the proximity. Oh, ignition on the left. I like that.
Yeah, Luke
I'm
set
used
me
to that. Sounds just like a G body. So what do we got? I'm trying. Steering is gonna take a little getting used to. I want to put my foot over here, but there's nothing there. That was a red limiter, just so you know.
fine. Turn around. See ya. I like the gear ratios. I kind of like being engaged. I like long gears. No, I know, but in this fucking thing, hop out real quick.
All right, well, what do you think?
Well, I didn't break it, so that's good.
I knew you would be able to break it.
Fucking A, bro. I hope you can hear the commentary in there.
Oh, you can hear it.
You can hear it? All right,
Yeah.
good.
Yeah,
Yeah, I said it all in there, but holy shit, man. You should be very proud of yourself of what you built, man, because it's a riot. That thing is a riot. I get it. Like, it doesn't just look cool, dude. That thing rips, it handles, it performs. Braking, it brakes, but you gotta like, be full body weight into the pedal. But dude, it's really, really awesome. It really is awesome.
I'm excited to refine it a bit more.
You should build these for people.
I don't know if I can do that.
Yeah. Yep.
There's nowhere to hold on to.
Dave can't get enough now. Dude, this thing is sick. All right, we are back after, I don't know how, we did your normal loop with what you test drive.
Normal loop and a little bit more. Yeah, man. It's just really good. There's no words. You just have to drive it. You have to experience. It's an experience. It literally is an experience.
Because you look at it,
yeah, you don't expect it to do what it does and to be as really as good as it is. I'm blown away by how it handles, really just by how it rides and drives. The acceleration is awesome. Torque for days, literally never out of torque. But yeah, wild. Wild. Insane. Like, I'm still like processing, you know? It's just so wild. It needs a Porsche Motorsport steering wheel. That's what it needs.
yeah, a little still. It does need
but
a
then,
smaller
I don't know,
wheel,
you know,
but like,
as far as like trying to turn it and stuff, it may be harder. I mean, big wheel gives you leverage.
yeah.
But
no
yeah,
power
like
steering.
you're going to like apex a turn and you're like,
The suspension here and the back came out of Dave's red 964.
My 964.
So, typical hot rod fashion, that was one of probably the only recycled parts that are on here.
Wild.
Other than the rear end. A lot of new stuff, but that is a wrap.